Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am very excited, as you can tell and see. I'm making barbecue wings, barbecue chicken. So as you're gonna see, I couldn't find like proper wings, like full-on wings with the flap, was it called flap, whatever it is. I couldn't find them, but I found the normal ones that you use for chicken and chip shop, that kind of thing. So it's still wings anyway, so I found those. That's what I'm using. And yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my own barbecue wings. And if you do not have barbecue sauce at home, or you can't find any, I have a video, I think it's on my Instagram page. I'm going to find it and I'm going to put the link in the description box below. So if you don't have barbecue sauce, or you can't find barbecue sauce but you have ketchup, I've got you. Just click on the link in my description box to be able to see the video, and you can make your own barbecue sauce and you can get on with the recipe. But yeah, please remember to subscribe and leave a like, leave a comment, and just let me know what's on your mind, and enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Thank you. So my chicken wings have been washed already and they're clean, so I'm just going to season them. There's going to be a list of all the seasonings in the description box below. There are no specific measurements for this, so yeah, just season them the way you like, and don't add too much because you don't want it to be too salty that the taste would overpower the barbecue taste, basically. Do you get? So yeah. So I'm showing you guys the specific measurements for the flour that I'm using, but you don't really have to use the same measurements. Just make sure that you have more corn flour than the plain flour. This is because the corn flour makes it more crispy and crunchy, and it just gives like this really nice texture to your chicken. So yeah, it's really nice. And just mix this together thoroughly, and then add some granule oil. You can use some butter if you want, but yeah, and just mix this together, and that's it. So this is what my chicken looks like after grilling in the oven for 40 minutes. So here I'm making the barbecue sauce. So you can add some sea spice if you want to your barbecue sauce, just to make it a little bit spicy and really nice. Because now that I made it in the video and I'm thinking about it, I'm like, why don't I add sea spice? But okay, anyways, let's focus, please. So basically, just add your chicken to it and just coat it properly in all of that graciousness, all of that deliciousness. Oh, that looks yummy. And then put your chicken on the grilling tray, on the oven tray. You can use a different tray if you want, it's up to you, but I'm using the same one. And after doing this again, you have to grill in the oven for 20 minutes. It says around 20 minutes, so it's up to you. 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 15 minutes. Just make sure your chicken wings are properly cooked, please. Please just make sure your chicken wings are properly cooked. Thank you. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It's really nice. The lettuce is just for presentation purposes, because I wanted to have like a different bright color that would allow the barbecue the barbecue wings to like shine. Yeah, the barbecue wings are looking nice, they're looking like I can't wait to eat them. But actually I already tried some of them, so I know it tastes nice. I hope you guys try out this recipe, and if you do try out this recipe, please send me pictures. I love seeing your pictures, I love seeing your videos. It's really yummy. You just have to try out this one. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.